Hello aqua friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do this fun little project. I have a summer meadow painting and it's going to be done in one layer, wet on wet. I will be releasing summer inspired mini paintings this week. Super simple, easy palette. We're only going to be using a few colors, and wet on wet is a ton of fun. Let's get started with this cute reference photo that I have here from Unsplash or Pixabay. We're working with some phthalo blue once we wet our paper really well. And you can just do some meandering lines to make some clouds as puffy and as many clouds as you want. I'm loosely following this reference photo here. For the clouds, the underside of the clouds, I'm adding a little bit of indigo blue. And then I'm just going to let that blend together, and I'm going to jump right into doing the meadow. Now I have green gold on my brush, and notice that I left a ton of spaces at the bottom. That's because we are working with transparent colors. Watercolor is a transparent medium. So in order to get those bright colors of the flowers, we need to leave some spots for them. So you're going to drop in some blues and reds. It's going to spread because our paper is wet. So don't worry about getting it exactly like the reference photo. Time is our enemy, folks, and so you're gonna want to work with two different brushes. Have a brush that's loaded with your blue, have a brush that's loaded with the red. For the red color, I am using like a Scarlet Lake or a very warm red is a good idea. And the flowers that are in the foreground are going to be bigger and larger than the flowers in the background. So you are going to have to put those dots getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Now in between the dots, I'm adding in more green. So on top of my green gold, I've dipped my brush in some sap green. And working quickly, I'm just dabbing in the green around my flowers. This is a super quick painting. You could be done this painting in 15 minutes. It's adorable. You could get cute little frames and mats off of Amazon and frame your little painting and give it to a loved one. It's just such a sweet addition to somebody's day. So I'm adding in, while my paper's still wet, I am running out of time, it's not spreading as much. And so I have to add in those dots in the background there for all of my flowers that are getting smaller and smaller, especially along that horizon line. They should just be tiny little dots. Now for some fun addition of some details, you can take a script liner brush and add some grasses to the foreground. And that is it for this little painting. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow for day 3 of my mini painting summer series.